In chocolate food. See the water in it.
Guys, so these are the almonds. Mom just washed them with water. Okay? Okay.
Put a knife at the boil.
You have to talk louder, sweetheart.
Put them in the pot to boil.
Ah! I'm gonna put this in the video so they can call child abusive services on 2. Guys, what is this?
Almonds.
In just water, right? We're just adding brown sugar. I'm teaching Mom how to do it. That's why I'm not pouring it in. Teaching her.
Make really leaf easier for tear up quick. You see like I tear up?
Mm-hmm.
Let's see, madam. Tell me when I roll, your mother can do. Speak.
Find me a husband.
I can't chop up your husband.
Lord have mercy. Here comes your husband. Be nosy.
Well, we are dropping them now to dry.
How do you know when to drop them, Mom?
Look how it stay. You see, it got boil right now.
When it's boiled down, guys. She's not even, you see, this is why I'm the chef. Also.
This is the finished product.
No, it's not even dry yet.
Then dry now.
Guys, here is the almond drops.
My dry.
Here's the chef. Now you can put cinnamon leaf in there too.
Cinnamon.
All right. But Mom didn't have no cinnamon or ginger. Did you just say ginger?
Yeah, ginger. I use all the ginger leaf.
You're not using your ginger on my drops? Lord have mercy. No, I'm gonna want this one right here, so.
Yeah, ginger. Get to me work for free. And that I think.
Who said? Mom, so you can't cook some drops for your daughter?
Not for free. Then dry.
You're not doing it for free, but you can spare some ginger in my drops.
My breast drop out of my breast here.
Mom, if they don't have banana leaf in foreign, what can they use? Wax paper?
Yeah, jaws.
You can use your drawers to let them dry. Y'all, clearly I'm the chef in the family because look what Mom... Man. They're not even dry.
Shut up, you big pony. They're not dry in my plate still.
I don't think they can.
Or?
Mom, and if they were dry, you can stack them on the thing.
If you're not dry, you name them same way.
Mom!
Let me get here. Very nice drops. Then you're bright like our. You can't sing out there all night. From all me drops me idiot. You look like me idiot for you.
Mom, didn't you ask me to pay you? Oh, now you haven't seen dollar? And you're making drops and eating at the same time? This is the most unprofessional kitchen I've ever seen.
I don't pay me the same time. But me not get the muffin yam.
Look at... Y'all, this drops tutorial. Lord, if y'all are not laughing, y'all must be crying.
Look how me drops so nice. You're bright thing, girl. 10,000 and one.
10,000 for what?
70,000.
70,000 what?
Click here.
Good thing I only ate one almond. How much is that?
Carrying open up, make it dry. Take it up.
So this is 70,000 for me to lift it, so we're even. Guys, here is the drops.